My initial interest in pediatrics stems from it being an underserved patient population, but along the way, as the lab has grown, it turns out that most of our personnel in the lab has been directly impacted by pediatric rare disease. And even my family has been impacted by pediatric rare disease, so that really provides the foundation for our dedication, and we're in it for the long haul. My name is Scott Younger. I'm the Director of Disease Gene Engineering and a research faculty within the Genomic Medicine Center here at Children's Mercy. Most of the work that goes on in our laboratory is done with the Genomic Answers for Kids program here at Children's Mercy, which is our rare disease initiative. So in my laboratory here at Children's Mercy, we have a big focus on developing what's called patient-derived cellular models. And this is a way in which we can take blood cells from a patient and differentiate them into virtually any cell type in the human body. So when we're thinking about that in the context of rare disease, if we know a rare disease is impacting the brain, we can take those stem cells, differentiate them into neurons, and understand how they behave the same or differently than neurons from an unaffected individual. What's exciting about being at Children's Mercy is we have the ability to interact with clinicians, and so the clinicians can approach us with a challenge. We can design a set of experiments, and we can actually get results in a timely manner that informs clinical care. And we really have two different angles, and one of those I consider a discovery biology, where we use these cellular models that we develop in the lab to really understand the basic biology and the development of disease. And the other arena we work in is therapeutics. So we can use these cellular models to understand both precision and personalized therapeutic approaches. What that means for precision, we can generate a cellular model from a patient and profile that in a dish, and then we can treat those cell models in a dish with the same therapeutics you might use in a clinic, and we can see how those respond. We also work in personalized therapeutics. That's a little bit different. These are genetic medicines that can be developed for an individual person. So for certain types of genetic conditions, we develop those preclinically, and our hopes are to get those to the clinic in the future. With rare disease, we think of those as rare, but they're actually collectively common, and they affect a lot of people in our community. So all of our work is really centered around community, and that's exciting for me, being from Kansas City originally, to be able to leave and to learn all these cool things and then come back and give back to the community.